curious what you're seeing out in the field, kind of trends of the DVLED market, and what is some of the traction that you're seeing?
Yeah, I think accessible was really a good keyword to use there because it's the accessibility of this platform is really opening up the use cases. Not only is it more cost effective than it ever was, where we can see the financial benefit to moving it outside of large venue presentations into more of conference rooms, larger boardrooms, um, things of that nature. But also the technology is much more accessible. It's not a complicated product anymore. Once it's installed, once it's on the wall and it's up and running, we can treat it like a standard commercial display. So now my end users, my partners are able to actually self-maintain, not have to worry about having these large expensive contracts just to run the panel. It's a simple HDMI input and we're displaying content. So it makes it much more usable, much more self-serviceable.